I felt quite disconnected from nature lately, which is kind of weird for me. I started reading this book called Forest Euphoria, The Abounding Queerness of Nature. And it's been quite helpful and eye-opening. Kind of talks about seeing your queer neurodivergent self in nature. My gender identity remains shifty, still ambiguous and amorphous. Am I a woman? Am I non-binary? To be honest, I'm not sure. For some people, gender is a very clear matter, and they recognize their sense of clarity as a gift. My own lack of clarity sometimes feels like a burden, a series of looping questions that never end. But most often, I consider this ambiguousness a gift of its own. There is value in the in-between and uncategorized, even in a culture that rewards certainty. That passage from the book really spoke to me, and I just wanted to share it with you all. If you're looking for a book to read, I highly recommend it. I'm not finished yet, but that's how much I love it already. If you haven't lately, maybe just go outside for a little while. It honestly just makes things better.